Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you another mass popular recipe, and that is the bread pakoda recipe. During monsoons, bread pakoda is loved by everyone and almost no one can say no to it. And if you wanna know how I made this yummy bread pakoda recipe in almost no time, then please keep on watching. So let's get started with the recipe. Take about 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes and mash them really well as shown in the video. Then add some oil in the pan. Add some cumin seeds or jeera to it when the oil gets hot. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of hing to it. Now add mashed potatoes to the pan. I'll be mentioning the exact ingredients list in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Then give it all a nice mix. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, amchur powder and dhania powder. And then again give all of this a nice mix. Also add salt as per your taste. Crush some kasuri methi between your palms and add it to the mixture. Once again give it a nice mix. Also add some garam masala powder to the mixture. Top this mixture with some finely chopped coriander leaves. And our aloo mixture is ready now. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now for the outer coating of the pakodas, take besan in a bowl. Then add some salt to it as per your taste. Then add some red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, ajwain also known as carom seeds, amchur powder also known as raw mango powder. And then we'll add water to this mixture in batches. We cannot add the whole water together or else the mixture will form lumps which will be really difficult to remove. So we'll be adding water really slowly. We have to then mix the mixture really well so that no lumps are remaining in the mixture. You can also use a hand whisk to mix this mixture. It really helps in reducing down the lumps and gives a really nice consistency to the batter. The exact ingredient list would be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And then finally we added some more water to this batter to give it a medium consistency. The batter should be flowy but not too thick or thin. Now take 2 bread slices and the potato mixture that we prepared. Apply the potato mixture on one of the bread slices. Use a good amount of mixture because this is the main ingredient that is gonna add flavor to our bread pakodas. Make sure to create a thin layer of potato mixture on the bread. We do not want a very thick layer of this potato mixture. Apply this mixture evenly on every nook and corner. Then cover it well with another bread slice to form a sandwich. Now cut this sandwich diagonally from the center. Then dip this sandwich in the batter and cover it well with the batter from all the sides. Make sure to not leave any nooks or corner. And now we are gonna gently drop this sandwich in medium hot oil. You can lightly pour some hot oil over this as shown in the video to let it cook from the top equally well. Let it cook from one side and then you can flip it around gently. Be really careful with the hot oil here. Let's wait for a minute for this to cook from the other side as well. Once it turns golden brown in color, take it out gently on an oil absorbent paper. And your yummy bread pakoras are ready. Serve them hot with some tea and enjoy.
So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments down below how did you like this recipe. Also give this recipe a try, and if you try the recipe you can share the results with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.